This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Mary Parsons. Price to sell quickly. Home needs some TLC. Home to be sold as is, seller will make no repairs. Dishwasher is not working. Very convenient location. Great for first-time buyer. Bedroom on main with full bath. Master bedroom is upstairs with its own bath as well and large closet. No carpet. Upstairs laminate is newer. Front porch and back porch. All offers to be in by 7 p.m. JAN 5th. Seller will respond by 12 p.m. on JAN 6th. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Parsons at 865-966-1111.